There are three subtle signs a financial deceiver is trying to mislead you, and recognizing them allows you to protect your God-given abundance. First, watch for the slippery answer. When direct questions about investment details or risks are met with vague promises instead of clear facts, a red flag should wave. Remember Matthew 5:37, truth is straightforward. Next, notice the impossible promise. Someone offering overnight riches or guaranteeing returns no market can sustain is likely spinning a web. Proverbs 13:11 wisely cautions against wealth gained too quickly. Are they selling a dream or a sound plan? Finally, listen for the urgent demand. Any pressure to commit funds immediately without time for prayerful consideration or seeking wise counsel often hides ill intent. Proverbs 15:22 reveals that plans fail without good advice. This isn't about opportunity, it's manipulation. When you discern these deceptions using biblical wisdom, you don't just avoid loss, you powerfully turn the tables, safeguarding the blessings entrusted to you.